Hi friends, welcome to Feather Kids. This is day 13 and 13th video of our hand feeding series. In our hand feeding series previous videos, we showed you how to hand feed baby cockatiel by using pipette. But in case you are not able to get pipette, you can simply use disposable syringe. So today we will show you how to use normal disposable syringe. Here we took 2.5 ml disposable syringe which is available in all medical stores. Just remove the needle and we can use it. Place the food bowl inside a larger bowl filled with warm water and cover it with a plate. This will help to mix food temperature constant during feeding. Before taking the mixed food formula from bowl, always mix it very well. So today Momo is 13 days old. Look within 13 days how much he grew. He got pin feathers all over his body. His leg also grew and the size of his leg became like adult bird. Hold the head gently and firmly. Feed slowly. Give time to baby bird to swallow food. It is a very good practice to feed 10% of their body weight. Don't overfeed. Always clean their face and beak after feeding. This simple hygiene technique keep the baby healthy and protect them from lots of fungal and bacterial diseases. Now we will feed Pizza. Pizza is 11 days old baby. In our hand feeding series, we already shared how to hand feed baby cockatiel from day 1. In case you missed those videos, you can check it. Link is provided in the description box. Always feed them slowly. Don't hurry. Most of the baby bird poop during feeding time, which is perfectly normal. This is Popcorn, 12 days old baby. This baby have red eyes, you can see it clearly. Always check baby bird crop before feeding. It should be completely empty. After feeding, always clean them. This is Taco, 10 days old baby. See, baby birds are already know food is in food bowl. So always keep food bowl covered because sometimes overactive baby bird can jump into food bowl. Then it will be a complete mess. bathing such a baby bird can put them in temperature shock. So, it is always better to cover the food bowl. See how they are asking for more food, but don't overfeed them. It is very normal for healthy babies to asking for more food. Now we keep the babies back in brooder who already got food. Brooder temperature should be between 29 to 30 degrees centigrade. We also share how to DIY brooder easily at home. You can check it. Link is provided in the description box. Now this is Kaju, 5 days old baby. Baby bird always make a cute sound during feeding. Now the same, after feeding, clean the baby and put them back. This is Deadpool, 8 days old baby. During feeding, always keep eye on syringe. Syringe already have measuring mark on it, which help you to feed right amount of food. We also use pipette to feed baby bird and it also come with measuring mark. Now this is chicken, 9 days old baby. This is the last baby we are feeding. Now we feed all the babies. So let's have a quick look on hand feeding schedule. 0 to 6 days old baby bird should feed 12 times in a day, every 2 hours round the clock. 7 to 13 days old baby bird should feed 10 times approx in a day, every 2.5 hours round the clock. And 14 to 21 days old baby bird should feed 7 to 8 times approx in a day, every 3.5 hours round the clock. Remember, always clean baby bird mouth with a damp cotton before and after feed. Place mixed formula food bowl in another bigger pan or bowl of having same temperature water, which will help to maintain the temperature of food inside bowl. Now it's time for some myth and fact. Myth is clean the bedding once a day. Fact is, wet, dirty bedding invites germs to cause illness. Babies can easily get cold. Sometimes it can lead to static crop or other health issues. Another myth is humidity does not affect baby bird health. The fact is, humidity should never be less than 50%. Insufficient humidity impacts baby bird skin, body, eyes. Skin used to become very dry and baby bird used to feel very uncomfortable. Less humidity also delay for baby bird to open their eyes. Normally 7 to 8 days old healthy baby birds are managed to open their eyes completely without any issue. But in lesser humidity environment, even 11 days older baby bird unable to open their eyes properly. Now here's some tips. Feed every 2 hours round the clock for day 1 to day 6 old baby. For day 7 to day 13, feed every 2.5 hours round the clock. Every time prepare fresh food. Never use leftover. Always massage the crop after feeding. It will release air from crop and help to digest food. Before feeding, always check the crop. It should be empty. After feeding, clean mouth with damp cotton. Change the bedding in every 2 hours or whenever it became wet and dirty. For day 1 to day 6, brooder temperature should be maintained between 30 degrees centigrade to 31 degrees centigrade. From day 7 to day 14, brooder temperature should be maintained between 29 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade. Humidity should never be less than 50%. Holding the head gently and firmly in place not only reduce the risk of choking or aspiration, also benefit of less messy faces to clean up. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button